Welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. Today's episode is a heartfelt tribute to my late sister Dorothy on her birthday. She was the most vibrant and loving person. And this colorful salad, green, red, and white, symbolize her beautiful spirit. I'm a Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Let's go make the salad.
The salad is a mix of refreshing cucumber, sweet cherry tomatoes, and creamy feta cheese, paired with a bright vinaigrette made from lemon juice, oil, honey, salt, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and a hint of coriander for an added burst of flavor. Each ingredient in the salad brings its unique benefits. Cherry tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, supporting immunity and heart health. Qualities my sister exemplified through her nurturing love. Cucumber, I prefer to use seedless cucumber, is hydrating and packed with antioxidants, much like the refreshing energy my sister radiated. Feta cheese adds calcium and protein, symbolizing the strength and comfort she gave to everyone around her. Coriander is detoxifying and known to boost digestion, representing Dorothy's healing and nurturing nature. The vinaigrette with lemons, vitamin C, honey's natural sweetness, and black pepper's anti-inflammatory properties ties everything together, much like her ability to bring people together. Qualities my sister had were just so awesome. When put together, vibrant, just like the salad. Happy posthumous birthday, 50th birthday, Dorothy. I miss you so much. As much as coriander is recommended for detoxifying, you have to also know that it gives you allergic reactions for some people if eaten excessively. It can lower your blood pressure. While beneficial in moderation, too much coriander can lead to excessive low blood pressure. It can cause dizziness, fainting. Overconsumption might cause stomach cramps or diarrhea. So, moderation is key when enjoying coriander. It's wonderful herb. It's a wonderful herb with numerous benefits, but too much of it can lead to discomfort or adverse effects. Advantages of coriander is that it is a great source of vitamin A, C, and K, supporting your vision, immunity, and bone health. Perfect for digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties, helps to reduce inflammation and combat free radicals. Blood sugar control. Coriander may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes, it can improve your skin health. That's exactly why I love coriander. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties can help reduce skin irritations and acne. As I rounded up the salad, it is a celebration of health, vitality, and love. Qualities my sister embodied so beautifully. Here's to her legacy, forever cherished. She left us 14 years ago, but honestly, her vibrant spirit lives on in our hearts. She was angelic, she was beautiful, she was peaceful, she was kind, she was friendly, she was God-fearing. Oh my God. She was just the best sister anyone could have asked for. May her soul continue to rest in perfect peace.
This salad is not just nourishing, but also a reflection of my sister's personality. Vibrant, healthy, and full of love. Here's to celebrating her life, one bite at a time. If you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing, like this video. Let me know what you thought about this recipe. Merry Christmas!